The following are methods for getting to Google Password Manager, even from Android. Google has been giving highlights that consequently save login subtleties in Chrome and Android and sync subtleties of all gadgets signed in with a similar Google account. This permits you to see the login subtleties utilized in the site or application starting with one gadget then on to the next. Google's component kills the issue of utilizing an outsider application to save passwords. You can follow the system beneath to see the secret words saved in Chrome through Android. With the most recent update of Google Play framework, you can undoubtedly find the secret word chief on the home screen of Android telephone. How to create access to Password Manager? First, go to the settings of your Android cell phone. Then look down and select the privacy choice. Then select the autofill administration from Google choice. The autofill with Google page currently opens. Tap on the secret phrase beneath it. In the wake of doing as such, you can see the usernames and passwords of different sites saved from your record. Presently tap on the settings symbol on the upper right. Then there is the Add Easy Route to your home screen choice, tap on it. Subsequent to doing as such, the secret phrase chief symbol shows up on the home screen of your portable. You can see which passwords are saved in various records. It additionally permits you to see, alter or erase passwords. At the point when the secret phrase director shows up on the home screen, you might imagine that anybody can see the secret phrase. Yet, you can definitely relax. Google has added biometric and PIN choices to see saved passwords. This implies you can't see the passwords saved there without utilizing your finger impression confirmation or PIN.